Hi guys, if you happen to be browsing and you hear my voice, I'm Fergie. Welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. So today guys, I'm going to be making a delicious mango cake. And here is my ingredients for today. This is my puree mango, vanilla powder, cinnamon powder, anisette liquor, salt, an egg, vanilla extract, turbana sugar, ginger, baking soda, all-purpose flour, and some actually vegetable oil. Okay, my bad. So that's my ingredients for today, guys. So guys, with your oven set at 350 degrees, I'm going to line my baking pan. I'm lining my baking pan with parchment paper. Okay guys, with half a cup of vegetable oil, I'm gonna go in with 1.5 cup of puree mango. Yes, I'm gonna go in with an egg and 1 cup of turbana sugar. This I'm gonna go in with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of anisette liquor, and then we're just gonna whisk this together. Okay guys, so now this is nicely combined. I'm gonna go in with 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. I'm gonna go in with 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla powder and 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground ginger. To this, I'm gonna go in with 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. And guys, we're just gonna fold this in, all right? So guys, with your pan nicely lined, this is like a 7.5 inch. It's nice if you can use a loaf pan also. And we're gonna let this bake for 45 minutes. Remember, your oven is at 350. So 45 minutes to an hour. But also guys, whether it's baked or not, check with a toothpick to see if it, if it goes through with nothing on it, and you can remove it. All right, because everybody's oven have a different temperature settings. All right, so guys, we're at the end of another segment, and I'm here to present my delicious mango cake. It is so good, guys. I hope you enjoy. And it is yummy. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Please remember, Fergie loves you. Bye-bye.